Do you feel the vibes?
So almost 4 hours we kept it like this. Now we will start our installation procedure. Installation procedure is no wonder it is vice versa, but little change is there. For installation, clean everything and then reinstall this unit. So let the plates drip down first. Just remove, get hold out of this excessive oil. Just let it be like this. Let it drip down everything. You can keep it in the footrest. Slowly it's dripping everything. It's quite soaked properly for 4 hours. That means it will take an ample time. As you can see, it's dripping down everything. Let it be like that. It's excessive, so I don't need that anyways. It's not a bad oil, it's a good oil which will be reusing this. Now we'll just take those things away and we'll keep it here. Now we have to install all those plates. First, just clean this plain surface. It's a pressure plate surface. This won't remove the oil filming, so don't worry about it. This is the first pressure plate which we have to install. So keep it here. Then, since this is a pressure plate, as you can see, this is a clean surface. That means you have to install first friction plate. First pressure plate, friction plate, then clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate and friction plate. Last is again friction plate. This is the sequence. Now hold the clutch center, clean it very well. Since the spare was and it is open, so better to clean. Now you have to put this, or you have to install those things on the clutch center. So what I'll do is, like, I'll just start installing around all those plates. Now the clutch plate has to be installed like this way. Teeth. There is no particular surface, like you can install either ways, right? Now I have installed the clutch plate. That means I have to install this friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, clutch plate, friction plate, right? And the last pressure plate. Pressure plate you can't install like this way. It will go inside, but then it won't sandwich all the plates properly. It won't give tension. So this teeth, there are 3 total teeth which are coming out of the pressure plate, right? Now what is the next step? See, now it's falling down. Now we can't afford to have that kind of a stuff. Reason, while installing we'll have tough time. Now is the main step which you have to follow. Install all those clutch springs first, right? Then see, all the plates are offset right now, so we'll have to make it in proper place. This is the don't press everything, don't give too much of tension. Now nothing is in line, so we have to make it in line, but you can't, right? So for that, best is to, little bit of tension is also not allowing me to set those friction plates, so better to set the friction plate such a way that it will go inside the clutch bell easily. This is one procedure. Second procedure, you can directly set the clutch, this unit, on the or inside the clutch bed, but there is a problem that bearing will not allow you. If you want to go further, then you can remove. I'll show you. This is the problem. Okay, so if I want to install directly over here by using this fixture, I can still do it, not an issue, but this bearing will not allowing me, it will not allow me to insert that clutch center inside the bearing because of the offset, right? So if you want to go ahead, you can remove the SPRAG clutch and then you can install the whole unit outside. I'll show you how to do that. Now here just check which spanner you need. We'll be requiring, I hope I'm carrying, yeah, we'll be requiring 17 mm socket and as usual our pneumatic gun. So now we have removed this bolt. Okay. Let me just set the camera properly so you guys can see everything. Okay, I hope you guys can see everything properly. Since this is in off-load condition, right? Don't move a lot because those lines may damage my roller, your roller bearing, so don't do that. Since this is in off-load condition, just hold the unit and pull back so it won't come. Reason, you need a puller over here, right? This is the puller. While using the puller also, this tool particularly, But be very careful, don't damage those threads. So just try to keep this crank bolt as it is. It should be taking all the load, and very slowly you have to remove this SPRAG clutch, and you have to use this special tool to pull the SPRAG clutch. This is the tool. There are 2 points which the company has given.